Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we will see how to merge two tables. This is one table and this is second table. So these three tables we have to merge it in Python. Okay, in SQL we will use joins. Here also we will use similar kind of thing to join two tables. Okay, this is the first data frame, first dictionary, and this is the second dictionary. So we have converted these two dictionaries to two pandas data frames. So I have printed these two pandas data frame now. Okay, in this we have student ID, name and class, and in second table, which is marks df, in this also we have student ID, name and marks. Okay, so all we have to do is we have to join these two tables so that the output will be student ID, name, class and marks. Okay, so for that what we can do is df equal to, I'll write student df as a left table, so I'll go with this one, dot merge. We'll use merge function. So in this function we have already defined the left table, so that our right table will be the marks df. So marks df is the right one, and what we have to mention how it is the left, and on condition will be student ID. So it has to check the student ID and it has to merge in left join, using left join. So if you do this one, if I print this, the output will be like this. So I got student ID, I got name X, which is not there in my data frames. We have class and we have got name Y and marks. Why we have got this one is this is suffixes. Okay, when you use this merge, and if we have same names in two tables, then it will automatically add these suffixes. So how to handle this one? I will do one thing here. I'll write pd.merge, and here I will take the student df, and now I'll print. Now also we'll get the same data set. We take only student ID and marks. Okay, so if you do this one, what will happen? It is telling that it's a key error. Student ID and marks is a key error. So marks df, we have to add one more bracket here so that you will get the answer. So now we got student ID, name, class and marks.